हेलो फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग बेटा। तो अब बात करने वाले हैं कुछ कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड्स की, कुछ कंफ्यूजिंग टर्म्स की बॉडी फ्लूइड एंड सर्कुलेशन से, जो आपको जब आप मॉक टेस्ट में अपीयर होते हैं और वेदर यू आर अपीयरिंग फॉर योर नीट एग्जाम. So just to reduce, to avoid that confusion, let's discuss. And the first word is stroke volume. Simple words में it is the amount or volume of blood pump per heartbeat. Clear? Each ventricle send a certain amount of blood. So each ventricle pumps out nearly 70 ml of blood, and that amount is known as बच्चों stroke volume. Right? The body is capable to change this stroke volume, and when stroke volume changes, the cardiac output and heartbeat also changes. We will discuss this also. So stroke volume is the amount of blood, volume of blood pumped by heart per heartbeat, and value is 70 ml. When we multiply stroke volume by number of beats per minute, stroke volume into number of beats per minute, it gives us cardiac output. Or we can say that the volume of blood pumped by our heart in 60 seconds or per minute. So cardiac output is CO will be SV into HR. HR is heart rate. So stroke volume was 70 and heart rate is 70 to 75. So we take a mean value, that is 72 times, and it comes out to be nearly 5040 ml or 5 liter approx. So our heart can pump a 5 liter of blood per minute. Therefore, the volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per minute is known as cardiac output. Is it clear? And what is heartbeat? What is heartbeat or heart rate? How many times your heart beats in 1 minute, in 60 seconds? That is called heart rate. Contraction of heart is known as called systole, and relaxation of heart is known as diastole. So one systole and one diastole is known as one heartbeat. One contraction and one relaxation of heart is known as heartbeat. And normal heartbeat rate is 120/80 in normal adult human being. This is systolic, this is diastolic pressure. Above this, इससे ऊपर हो जाता है, then it is called high blood pressure or hypertension. इससे कम होता है तो hypotension. Is it clear? Heart rate. Okay. Now, what is cardiac cycle? Sequence of events or steps or sequences of events during conduction of heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. ठीक है? Or we can say phases of heartbeat, simplified phases of heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. We just discussed contraction of heart is called systole. Relaxation is known as diastole. So there are three phases. Already we discussed in detail. Three phases: atrial systole, ventricular systole, and joint diastole. Atrial systole takes 0.1 second. Ventricular systole takes about 0.3 seconds, and joint diastole is 0.4 second. So total duration of cardiac cycle is बच्चों 0.8 second. Is it clear? Already in detail we discussed at your study destination Bioniti cardiac cycle phases. You can watch complete video there. Now the next word is heart sounds. There is a lot of confusion. Some says our heart do धक धक. क्या आपका हार्ट धक धक करता है? मेरा हार्ट तो बच्चे लब डब करता है. आप बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन में, आपका दिल धक धक करता है कि लब डब करता है? So during cardiac cycle, these heart sounds are produced. First heart sound is produced due to closing of bi and tricuspid valve. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves. Bicuspid valve is present on left side between left auricle and left ventricle, and tricuspid valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle. So when these valve closes, first heart sound is produced. Likewise, this sound is lung. Second heart sound is produced during closing, that is dup. During closing of aortic and pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary and aortic semilunar valve, when they get closed, second heart sound dub is produced. Aortic semilunar valve location, base of right atrium. It is base of left atrium. So these two heart sounds are produced. But sometimes what happens? In case of defective or a damaged valve, heart valves we are talking about, the improper closure leads to leakage of blood and which produces an abnormal sound. This is known as heart murmur or murmuring of the heart. Heart murmur is due to defective heart valves. Improper closure of heart valves leads to leakage of blood and it produces an abnormal sound, and this is known as murmuring of the heart or heart murmur. So these are some of the confusing words. I think now things are clear to you. Still, if you got any doubt, you can ask in your comment section on your study destination Bioniti, and session PDF freely you can download from the description section. If you think these are helpful to you, just like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Keep studying.